Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at the Hilton Rome Airport. Finally checked in after a flight from Boston to London Heathrow and then London Heathrow to Rome. You can see a view of the desk in the back of the room, good for a laptop, and various coffee and tea supplies on this as well. Large couch towards the back. And a view outside. Is getting a bit dark outside, but this is the Leonardo Express or the Da Vinci Express, a train that goes by right out of the airport to the center of Rome. Get a nice view outside of the window, some planes going off in the back, and you can see more of the airport. There was a long walkway from the airport to get here, all inside, which is nice. Bed. This is an executive room. They upgraded me mentioning Hilton Diamond status to the executive floor. Large TV in the center of the room and a complimentary bathrobe to use during the stay. Coming around, the temperature control on the wall, nightstand, some plugs. I'm using a USB for now to charge the phone. So I went to the executive lounge, lots of Italian themed food there. See the bed, quite spacious, really large pillows. And this area at the bottom as well, we saw lots of space for luggage I have down there. And another storage area. Some dressers or drawers pull out. On this side, a mirror and a closet without a door. I have some hangers at the top, 5 hangers. It's just one sink. And hand wash, body lotion, side mirror, which will turn on, and a main mirror right here. Off to the side, toilet, looks like a foot washing area. Lots of towels. And it's a tub shower combo. You can see many nozzles, and from the roof the water will come down. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and it appears to be at least somewhat ADA accessible with the bar on the side. So we get one more view of the room. Pretty nice here, Hilton Rome Airport. I use points for a 2-night stay before a cruise I'll be taking out of the Rome cruise port with Princess. Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.